Hello guys, today we are gonna play Subway Surfers. So last video we played the Subway Surfers video, but today they gave us a new Christmas update. See, the police is Santa, we are the same character, but there's some new character. Like there's a rabbit, 75, and now 75 keys, and now 47 keys. You can't see it, but I know. I got 47 keys. Not enough. Need only how many more keys? Or like 20 more keys. Like 28 keys we need to get a feel of Manchester. It's always, Subway Surfers was not made for the developer's son just passed away. Like in the last video I told you, he needs to know that riding in a train station subway is dangerous. What do you think? Can't we just cheat it somehow? Like this difference, what is age son even? Is it Jake? Well, we might think Jake is actually a son, but his actual son is the king. Because why would they name him the king? The king is actually his son, I guess. The dog didn't change. The dog did not change. The dog did not change. The Christmas update. Oh, and if you want to see more Subway Surfers in the video, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel right now. So, we're doing a pretty well job, man. We are doing a pretty good job. This game, man. Whoever created this Nabula and Tessitura at the Ajwana step. I said, but we are making a pretty good process. Okay, so down people. This is like a blooming fire hole. Alright, I'm not allowed to use the key because of my incident. I didn't have an incident, just freaking out. I have an incident. Kinds. Incidents are the worst. So last time we played like the fox. I don't know the fox's name, but I played the fox. Today we are playing the ninja. No, I missed the gift. I wasted my whole time playing for 3 minutes and 20 seconds, and I didn't get the gift. Oh my gosh, I've been playing for 3 minutes. For 3 whole dang minutes, and I still didn't get any more good coins. I'm furious, man. Okay, so like and subscribe if you want to see more. Okay, bye.